Hello all, in this video we are going to learn about the Twitter free traffic strategy for the affiliate marketing and for the CPA marketing. Let's get started. First of all, if you don't have the Twitter account, you can simply create it by clicking the sign up option on the sign up section. You can fill up your detail here and you can create it. There are several videos where it shows how to create the accounts on different social media platforms. In a way, you can do the same process for this Twitter as well. After you created your Twitter account, you can simply go to the Twitter site as twitter.com, and here you see several options. Since you have the fresh account, you don't see any of the post or your tweet here. First of all, here we have to optimize our profile accordingly, so we go to profile section here. We can create our image here as the profile image and the cover image based upon your niche, and you simply give the name here and your little bit of description or the bio part here. If you would like to keep the location, you can simply put your location here, or else you can leave it. And on the website section, you can simply paste your link or your landing page which we have already created, and you can mention your date of birth and you can do all the stuff, and later you can simply save it and your bio is ready. So Twitter is one of the social media platform which is mostly trending and used in USA mostly. So now you can create the image and thumbnail on Canva, Photoshop, or any other graphic tool where you feel comfortable with. So the working procedure on the Twitter is like you have to create the tweet. On the tweet section, you can simply say like, based upon your niche, you can tweet your post. Let's say our niche is make money online and it's especially dedicated to the Cash App, so let's post a new one. Let's say it's a get free Cash App money with free or spare of your time. Okay, and you can simply place your link here. If you would like to shorten this URL, you can simply go with the bit.ly where you can shorten your URL. Simply copy the URL and go to this create section, and you simply paste it here and create where you get your URL sorted, and you can simply paste it here. Yeah, one more thing here, like we can use the Twitter hashtags generator, and you simply can use, there are several hashtag generators, but you can use any of those, and it's a Cash App or make money online. Hashtags work for anywhere, so you can simply copy this and paste it on here. So since it has limitation, so let's remove some of the part here. Okay, you can use this rest of the hashtag on the next second. So I have put the links up, so you can also put the link up, or you can simply go to the in part and you can paste it here. Okay, and you simply tweet it, or else you can simply use or upload the image or the GIF. Okay, let's try one of the GIF, like the money here. Okay, you simply select one of the GIF here and you can simply tweet it. Okay, your tweet is ready and it's been published. Okay, this one is the recent tweet. So if any user goes here on this bit.ly link, or you can highlight this with different emojis here as well, but I have simply put the certain URL only. You can do either or the option. It is the one process which you can repeat time and again. I suggest you to put daily 5 to 10 tweets on your account, since it's a fresh account, so you can use up to 3 to 5 tweets a day. This is one process. You can do it in a regular basis. And there is another step, another process to engage, to promote the offer or the link through your Twitter account is you can search, like, since I am using the Cash App, so you can simply find if there is Cash App or not, or else you can do Cash App relates to the MMO, make money online. So let's say make money online with the semicolon. So you can see there are different posts, and you can simply reply to those who recently have posted. If you love free cash, you can try this site, and then you just give this shortened URL here and reply. Okay, you have replied or you have commented on someone else's tweet. So if any user comes here and sees your tweet, tweets or your reply, then you get benefited with it. It is the process. It could be on any niches, like, since I am just giving you an example purpose, it's a make money online. You can go with any other, like giveaway stuff, like it's a trending one. I need PS5 and let's search for it. Okay, if your niche is giveaway niche, and especially if it's on the PS5, then you can simply reply and lob to those. You can reply with your link. On the daily basis, you can do it 3 or 4 times, where you don't get any issue to your account and you get your links promoted. So this is the process you can do on your any niche. You can even do on the health niche, giveaway niche, entertainment niche, make money online niche, affiliate niche. Any of the niche you can try it. You're definitely going to see some results with it. Okay, it's the process for the Twitter promotion. There is also paid ad on the Twitter. Also you can do this on the automation. There is a tool. I will provide the tool on the upcoming tutorial. You can simply comment the tool, then I will provide you the tool with the download link. Yeah, it's all on this tutorial, so you can simply try it and you get some results. See you on the next video for the upcoming tutorials on the free promotional methods.